AT&T, Kevin Prendergast, Director of Wealth Management at the Retirement Network. I'm going to share my screen and we'll get into the February 2022 minimum present value segment rates as recently published by the IRS. And as a refresher, these segment rates are an important factor in determining pension lump sums for many of AT&T's pension programs. There are several of them. And if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to reply to the email containing this video. We do monitor that inbox and respond. You can schedule an appointment that way with one of our advisors, or you can visit our website, theretirementnetwork.com. Click the Get Your Free Assessment button, and it will guide you through an online scheduling tool. Okay, so let's get into the February 2022 segment rates. Continuation of a trend. We're moving higher across all three segments. At the beginning of the year, we were fairly certain that the first segment would move higher. The second and third segments were less clear because they're driven more by market factors than by policy factors. All three segments are moving higher. So if we compare to the November of 21 rates, we've gone from 1.02 to 1.88 in the first segment, 2.72 to 3.35 in the second segment, and 3.08 to 3.7 in the third segment. So all this to say, it's definitely a trend at this point. Definitely seems like the November of 2022 segment rates will be higher than the November of 21 segment rates. That seems to be the likely outcome at this point. There's a lot of year left to play out, so time will tell, but that seems like the likely outcome. So, all of that to say, if your plan is to continue working with the company for a number of years, you will probably collect compensation and benefits that vastly exceed the impact of these rates on your pension lump sum. But if you're on the fence between retiring this year versus retiring next year, then this could be a factor because these segments are likely to drive down pension lump sums commenced in 2023 relative to pension lump sums commenced in 2022. So if you're kind of on the fence between those 2 years, good idea to monitor this situation closely. Alternatively, if you plan to work for AT&T for a number of years to come, this is a factor to monitor, but not necessarily something that's going to dictate your decision as to when you retire. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful, and we'll see you next month. Bye.